Okay, we're again outside of Walmart and we have a green signal for northbound FEC Train 202 approaching right now, and I can see the headlight coming, and it has one of those EMD SD70M-2 models on the point. So does the leased unit. Here it comes. Oh yeah! Going a lot of hopper cars in this train. Now we got grain cars approaching. And we have intermodal freight coming up. There are some container cars from the CITX. We have auto racks coming up because I can barely see them. We have the mixed freight on the rear. Boy, this train is moving fast. And we have the tail end coming up. Remember everyone, stay safe and happy rail fanning.